Hello to all my friends out there. So today I'm suffering. For one thing, it's brutally hot, so I'm running my air conditioner so that I can stand to be in here. So I have a little lemon and ginger tea I got for $1. This stuff's good. I'm not lighting a candle because I'm going to show you guys some boxes of food. Okay, let's see, maybe a month or two ago, there was a lot of riots with looting and burning, and if you want to see it, go to La Mesa protests. Okay, that was 1 block from my house, and I thought, if things get really bad, I'm evacuating this place. So I'm preparing for evacuation, so what I decided to do was repack my food storage in small boxes. And the reason I did that is because when I first went to the swap meet, my neighbor said, you know, because I'm older, my neighbor said, I used to sell next to this little old lady, and she had all of her stuff packed in small boxes. Now that was not my approach. I threw like mountains of clothes on tablecloths, and then I tied them up, and he insisted on helping me. But I could see the brains of what he was telling me to do, and so when I go back, I probably will take it in garbage bags so as not to hurt myself. So what I would do with my food storage is I would move it all towards the front door, and then I would move it downstairs, and my son would load it into the back of the truck, and we would do that as quickly as we possibly could so we could get out of here. So I want the boxes small enough so that I can pack all of my food out of here in 10 minutes. Most of you probably don't live in these areas, but it's a good idea just in case. You've seen the floods. If it's not one thing, it might be another. And next to your money, you would want to consider your food valuable for your survival. So, okay, so what I want to show you guys is some of the food I bought 50% off, and that's the ones I'm packing up today. So, some of them. So, I want to show you how you're probably not going to run out of food if you do some of these things. So, okay, these are actually kind of heavy, to tell you the truth. Okay, so in here, I bought this sugar 50% off. I think these are about $2, so I got that for $1. And if I find beans 50% off, I buy those. Here I have beets, and I try to put them in order. Beets, I buy any kind of vegetables. Peas, is this a vegetable? More beets, corn, and then I have oranges, mandarin oranges, peaches. See how all the cans are dented? Pumpkin pie mix. More mandarin oranges, so I want to put the mandarin oranges together because that tells me I got 2 of them. Some applesauce. So chances are I'm going to be able to get out of here in a few minutes. And more mandarin oranges. So this is some dented cans, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that would be $6, $7, $8. So, okay, so I'm preparing for evacuation, and I'm keeping the food orderly so I know what I have and I can use it up. It's not necessary to use your dented cans up first because, you know, some of them could have a long shelf life. And then, so another thing is, if somebody needed some food, you would want to go into these boxes. I have some beef barley soup, another beef barley soup. I have 3 cans of cream of mushroom soup, some vegetable stew, 2 cans of chili, a can of spaghetti sauce, and 2 cans of split pea soup. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. So these boxes, if there was some really big emergency, I keep all my dented cans in one spot, and I would want to take off with my meat and my milk first. Okay, and then, so what I really try to find, fruit. Oh, this is a cheesy setup, you guys. Okay, I try to find fruit and vegetables, but I bought some beans. I got 2 cans of tomato sauce, some corn at some point, and I just pick up some asparagus, some pasta sauce, that's another one, some black beans. One thing you want is some pork and beans. I was watching some tomatoes. You could grind these up and just use them like salsa. And there's 2 cans of pineapple. So I was watching Disabled and Prepping today. It was really good. Go to Disabled and Prepping. And it was what one of her food pantries gave her. And it was beans, pasta, I forget. But it was good, you know, to give yourself an idea of what to stockpile up. You know, they usually, one thing you want to do is stock up some tuna so that you have some means. And find the cheapest place. Walmart's the cheapest. So I have some tea that I got 50% off. And then for some reason there was this red chili sauce. I think I got 2 of them, yeah, and I don't have them together. What this is good for is tamales. And you just get the matzah, and you can make your own. You just cook your meat in some chili sauce and add a couple olives. So I got these for 50 cents. And then I have 4 of these creams that was dented. I think those, I got this, I got 2 of these. I've been eating one down. And then this is something that I didn't need it, but I thought, you know, if somebody asked me for food, I got some fruit juice and some coconut milk, and this is good if you want to make some curry. You just cook your meat and your vegetables with curry powder, and you want onions, and then add a little coconut milk. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So that's 4 boxes of food. So, you know, just keep your eye out. I got something marked down today at Walmart. Oh, I know what it was. It was a can of, let me show you. I can't show you because it's a disaster. It was some kind of vegetables, I think. So if I find, like when I'm at Walmart doing my walking, if I find they have marked down stuff and it's a vegetable or a fruit for sure. So if you can save back a little money, this is really going to help you. Prepare for evacuation. Keep food. The reason you're packing in small boxes is so you can get it out of here without hurting yourself. Keep food orderly so you can use it up. And in case somebody needs some food, you would want to go to your boxes of dented cans. So if you have beans, if you have rice, if you have pasta, if you have tuna, if you have cheese whiz or Velveeta cheese, if you have did I say cheese whiz? Cheese whiz, chances are. And then you can have some cheap meat like hot dogs with pork and beans, or chorizo with refried beans, and you're going to survive somehow. You don't want to run out of sugar. You'd be surprised how many times you need sugar. Or if you get the big bags of beans, grab them. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.